Today I'm going to show you all how you can upload your Botpress Chatbot to ChatDash and use the platform to manage your Botpress knowledge bases. My name's Luve and I'm an 18-year-old AI agency owner from Sweden, currently working with Botpress and ChatDash to automate my customers' businesses. This video is going to be a fast tutorial, so listen very carefully, but now let's get into the video. So this is the Botpress Chatbot that I want to upload to my ChatDash account. And this is a demo for a real estate agency. It's just a demo, by the way. So I'm inside my bot here, and in the studio overview, I'm also inside of this chatbot. And once you're logged into ChatDash and you created an account, and you can visit ChatDash through the link in my description, you're going to go over to chatbots here and hit add chatbot. Then make sure to go to the Botpress option, and first install messaging API integration on the project you want to connect. Okay, so first things within Botpress, we're going to go into our cloud studio, and we're going to hit explore the hub, where we can see all of the integrations. We're going to type in messaging, and we can see that we have messaging API. So we're going to hit this and hit install integration. And you see that we have a link here. We need to hit copy so that we've copied it. Go back into our ChatDash, and here in the Botpress messaging API webhook URL, we need to paste that in here. And while we're in here, we can also hit copy response endpoint URL and paste this into our chatbot right here. And then we can hit save. And it's going to go ahead and load. And once that's saved, we can see that it's enabled. And then we can hit X. And once we're in Botpress again, you can see that we have a long string here in the URL. This is going to be our chatbot ID. So we can go in and copy this and paste this in here again. And workspace ID, for that we need to go into Botpress, and you can see that we have workspaces. We need to paste this. Boop. Paste this and add that here. And for the name, we can just name it what we want. So it's going to be YouTube test. And now we're going to need to create a personal access token, which we can also do inside of this Botpress page right here. And for that, we need to hit our icon, then hit personal access token. And then we can hit generate a new token. And we can say YouTube ChatDash test, generate token, and hit paste or copy, and then paste it in here. And now we're going to add our knowledge bases, and this can be a bit tricky. So once we are inside of our chatbot, you need to go into the knowledge bases section, and then we can select which knowledge base we want. So if we want the PDF one here, you hit PDF. And here you can see in the URL we have this KB A1D something. That one we can copy as well. And then we need to go back, and this is going to be our knowledge base ID. And the knowledge base name is just going to be PDF. And now we have filled in all of the information. We can go ahead and hit create. So now that we have created our chatbot, as we can see here, we can now create a client where we can add the chatbot. So I'll name this just something, and client's password. We can hit create a client, hit create. So one of the new features with the knowledge base integrations update is that if you hit into the preview, where you have the dashboard, and if you go into knowledge bases, you can hit upload, and this allows you to upload any knowledge base to your chatbot. So if I drag a file here and hit upload, it's going to create a new knowledge base. And if we go into Botpress after reloading your page, you can see that the new knowledge base is here. So I was just finished editing and I forgot that I didn't have an outro. So thank you all so very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you want to watch more, make sure to check out my interview that I did with Habin, the founder of ChatDash, the platform that you just saw me build on right now. So yeah, thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.